Today my topic will be on bullets, and specifically the first example is how to change a specific bullet to a symbol. Now I made a list of my favorite food, and now I want to change this bullet to a specific symbol. The method is click on the bullets first, then you click on the bullet menu, choose define new bullet. Then the next menu you will choose symbol, and then you can choose the symbol that you want. Click on it. I've chosen that one, the plate and the cutlery, and click OK. And then you get back to your previous menu and you click OK. And there the bullets have been changed to the symbol that I wanted. My second example is I want to change the bullets to a specific picture. Now, first of all, let's go and use the same method. I'm going to click on the bullets. Then I click on the menu, sub-menu for the bullets on the ribbon. Then again, define new bullet. But this time we're going to choose picture. And then go find the picture from file. So I am going to browse for the picture, and the picture that I've chosen is this specific one that's called beetle, and then I click on insert, get back to your previous menu and click OK. And there we have replaced the bullet with a picture. Thank you.